Hello everyone. In our last video, what we did was we moved our script from local PowerShell ISE to the Azure automation account, and we set it to run at a schedule. So our schedule was to run it every hour. And if I look at the job, so it is running every hour. So what's doing, it's generating the report, sending it to email and saving it to the SharePoint site. If we look at the script, in the script we have this client secret, so it's kind of risky. Anyone with access to this script in the automation account can get these values and create their own script and run it against our tenant, because this app which we are using in the script has access to send emails, save it to our SharePoint, or update the user account. So basically they can do these things using this secret key. So how do we secure it? So in this video we will move this secret key to Azure Key Vault and set the permissions on the Key Vault so that only our script can access that secret, and at the runtime the script will fetch that secret from the Key Vault and use it to access the app. To do this, we need Key Vault. First of all, we need to save the secret in the Key Vault. We need to give permission to the Azure automation account to read that secret. So let's get going. This is the resource group I was using, so I'll create a Key Vault in this resource group. Give a name to the Key Vault, and next, Azure role-based access. So we're gonna give access to our Azure automation account on this Key Vault. So defaults are fine. Networking, public access is fine. All networks is fine. And that's how we create the Key Vault. The Key Vault has been created. So let's create a secret in that. I'll name it secret value. So I will copy it from my script and paste it here and create it. And it's not allowing me to create because I don't have access to create the secret. So on the Key Vault access control, I will grant myself the access to create the secret. So I will assign myself this role, Key Vault's secret officer, and select my name or my ID. The permissions have been assigned. Now we'll try to create the secret once again. Okay, it created the secret. Now we will give access to our Azure automation account on this Key Vault, and the access would only be to read the secret. So for that we need this Key Vault secret user. So our Azure automation account is not a user group or service principal, it's a managed identity. When we created the automation account in my previous video, there was an option to create a managed identity while the account is being created. So we selected that, and demo AA is my automation account name. So now I assign the permission to my automation account. So once the permission is done, we will update the script and remove the client secret from here. The client secret, and I'm commenting it out. Then I will put the code here to read the secret from Key Vault and put it in $client secret variable. I have updated the code. I have used these two variables, Key Vault name. So this is the name of our Key Vault account which we created, and then the secret name, the name of the secret in which we saved our client secret. I can remove this now. And then we have Enable-AzContextAutosave Scope Process. So this is to keep any authentication token only in memory for this job and don't write it to the disk while the script is running. And Connect-AzAccount Identity. So it's connecting to the Azure using Connect-AzAccount, but using the identity of the automation account, because our automation account has access to the key vault. And then using this command, we are reading the secret from the key vault and saving it in the $client secret variable. $client secret variable is the same one where we were earlier putting in the secret in our old script. So it's already being used in the script down below. We don't have to do anything. And now I'll publish this and run this script. Let's give it a minute. The script is running now. Okay, now it's completed, no errors. And if I go to my email where I was sending the report, it should be here. And as we can see, it's also emailing me every hour because we also linked a schedule to the script in our last video, which I can remove now. So this was a small demo on how to make your script safe. Save the keys on Key Vault and not in the script. If you look at the Key Vault under networking, we selected allow public access from all network. So sometimes the security teams have an issue where we make our Key Vault publicly accessible. However, we do have permissions on it that only our Azure automation account can retrieve the keys. But still, there are ways we can disable the public access and put our Key Vault in a private endpoint. So that's just a network card inside our virtual network through which this key vault would be accessible only from the resources within our virtual network or any connected virtual network. In our next video, we'll see how to enable that. So how we'll put the key vault in private endpoint and access from Azure automation account. So Azure automation account is a service which is not in virtual network. It's like a public service. So by default, it won't be able to access the key vault over private endpoint. So we'll see in our next video what we need to do, what resources we need to set up, extra resources to enable that functionality. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.